Dear student, today we will see how can we transfer the heat from one point to other point or one place to other place. There are three methods to transfer the heat from one point to other point. First one, conduction. Second one, convection. And third one, radiation. Let first one, conduction. In this process, in this process, heat is transferred from hot part to cold part of a body through the transfer of energy from one particle to another particle of the body without actual movement of particle from their equilibrium position is called conduction. In this process, heat can be transferred in solid only. In case of solid, when we heat the one end of the solid, its hot region particle transfer the heat without any movement from its equilibrium position to the other and so on, and it goes to another end. Second one, convection. In this process or using this process, we can transfer the heat from one point to another in case of liquid and gases. So we can say it is the process of heat transfer from one part of a fluid to another part by the actual movement of the particles of the fluid is called convection. Example is liquid and gas. From this process, the question can be asked, why we heat the liquid by lower part? When we heat the lower part of the vessel containing liquid, then the bottom liquid comes in the rare form. That means after absorbing the heat, its density decreases, so it goes to the top and the top side liquid comes down to the bottom. In this way, a cycle is formed, and this cycle is called convection cycle. Now, third one, radiation. The process of the transfer of heat from one place to another place without heating intervening medium is called radiation. By this method, earth or we got heat from the sun. It's all for today.